pustahan kami.
Okay.
The future is for me.
Love.
Team boy. Team boy.
Parang mas malakas sigaw ng mga team girl.
Hello! Hindi na kami naka-update kasi sobrang busy mag-prepare since medyo nagdi-DIY lang kami.
Nasa bahay ka pa? Oo. Punta ka sa kwarto ko.
We're on the way to the venue. Sobrang excited na kami malaman yung gender. Are you excited, Keiki?
Yes, sir!
Sorry, hindi na siya nakikita. Malapit lang yung venue, so safe naman yung balloon sa likod. Okay, see you guys there! Hey, vlog! Sana guys, na kami for gender reveal. Andito na yung cake. Sweetness by Tess. Thank you! Are you guys excited?
Yes, we're excited. Tingin ko talaga team boy to, so...
Team girl.
Team boy.
Joke. May pustahan kami.
Okay, magkano? Oh my gosh!
3 Ginny wishes.
Ay, wow.
For 1 year.
For
3 Ginny wishes.
No, you can't say no.
Yes, you can't say no.
You can't say no.
So, mag-anda ka doon.
Ano wish mo?
Wala!
Matuloy ang...
Pag talaga to, nag-boy, kawawa ka sa akin. Iyak ka talaga sa akin.
Wait, you may alam. Tell us.
No?
Tell us.
Hello. So, vlog.
Diyan na yung diapers.
Ate, pahawak muna. Ay, sorry.
Start na pinalagay.
Wait.
Or for...
Pastries yan. Pwedeng palagay ako dito. Ito, ate, pasiksik ako here.
Videographer and photographer.
For the day.
Sabi sa'yo lahat, team girl.
Hi to the vlog!
Big boy!
But stressed? Bakit ka stressed?
I'm not stressed. We're not stressed. Ay, ang cute dito sis. Kayo ni April. Wait, ako muna. Pahawak nga ako.
I told boy, wag magkamali. Kaya ka ba?
What is up, team boy? Let's go.
The future is for me.
Love.
Team pink.
Hi vlog.
Do you think it's a boy?
Team boy. Team boy. This is an Amelia, promise. Promise, I think baby.
No.
Amelia talaga to. Si boy lang nakakaalam.
Abram yan.
Amelia. Hi, Amelia.
Team boy.
Team girl.
Hindi ko masabi akin.
He knows the gender eh.
Want to know?
He'll be the one to tell us later. Look, he has an envelope, tapos nandun yung
Malaking tatay dito, mga 6.8. Malaking tatay. LBS ang pangsa.
Sino gusto mo Miss Universe anak mo na?
Good boy.
Mr. Universe.
Ay, color brown.
Dark brown.
4:30.
Brown na lang ha.
This morning. Dito na.
Like, isa na lang yan?
Dalawa. Pero itong side yung open.
Hindi, alisin mo na yung isa.
Ang ano lang, safe measure.
Huh?
Safe measures.
Alam niya ito Marta?
Hindi. Ako lang. Basta tinanggal ako ng sticker yung isa. Gets mo ba?
I think you should consult otherwise.
Kasi madilim na eh.
Hindi na kasi makikita sa photos.
Yeah, my gosh.
So, here's boy. Parang mas malakas sigaw ng mga team girl. Team boy, team boy, team boy. Team girl, team girl. Hindi, may tili kasi. Walang yung mga boy kasi walang tili. Malalalim.
Practice ka muna eh. Kasi one time lang to eh. Pakita mo yung skills mo ha.
Hoy! Okay, di na tatama. Kailan ko lang kasi hindi sasabog eh. Nakakala ko. Lapit ka. Woo! Pasabugin mo lang.
Oh my God! Amelia, let's go! Baby girl!
Don't worry, team boy! Better luck next time! Pero akala ko talaga boy.
Ako rin!
talaga, boy.
Kaya pala hindi ako nag-isip ng second thing.
Okay, kahit pala babae, golfer pa rin. Meron na kaagad cup. May merch na kaagad, may merch.
So, lahat na naka-color pink, makakapasok kayo sa balota natin.
May balota. Di pa rin ako makakapanuwala.
Grabe, girl. Oh my gosh, hi, Amelia!
Tita Monet, Abram pa rin susunod. Pupush natin yung Abram na yan. Before anything else, before dinner, we would like to thank everyone who came all over the world. Wow, all over the world.
Parang yan rin yung speech mo sa wedding.
Oo, speech. Pinanood kasi namin last week. So, yun pa rin yung speech namin. So, thank you for coming.
Amen. Our heartiest congratulations. Vivi Amelia, we're so excited to meet you.
Tayo talo tayo dad. Wala gusto ko pa namang Abram
Babae!
Umamot ako babae!
Amelia, I lost.
Yes, I
lost,
told
darling.
you it's an Amelia.
Uy, amin na yan.
Oh my God, hi Amelia, I knew it, I knew it, I knew it.
So, nalagay natin dito lahat ng nakasuot ng pink. So, yung prices, 50 pesos lang naman. Joke lang! Pang parking! Well, secret, later. Okay. This is it! Okay na natin. Can I be included? No, Donnie. I'm a
Meligas, ito
Yes!
Excuse me, I'm
Sana all.
peeing.
Ang daya! Let's go! First kaya niyo yan.
Ang laman yan ay iced tea na may konting halong tequila.
Wait lang.
Konti lang.
May halo ba yan?
Patak lang.
Pili naman
Hindi,
yan.
yung halo.
Go!
Ano hirap?
Parang ano, may punas ba? Sobrang focus niya.
Hoy! Start!
Ano ba naman itong mga to?
Ganyan ka pala.
Size of my belly.
Ilang?
In inches po, Teacher Andrea. Asan yung co-host ko? Co-host, ano ka dito?
Lasing na.
Gender reveal natin.
Yes. Ako bahala dito. Ako, in-interview ko yung ibang ng guest.
So, paano ba yan? I won the bet. That's it! Thank you guys!
Thanks for watching.
For watching and for revealing with us.
Sana maging mabait.
Sana. Magiging
Yung
mabait
tatay.
yan. Oo.
Yung tatay.
Sana hindi siya super strict, yung dad.
Mm.
It's okay!
Sana you watch. Okay, bye guys!